What's going on, Rob from my PPC training, and in today's YouTube video I'm going to walk you through how to increase your quality scores to get cheaper clicks and crush your competition. Okay, so quality score is Google's mythical unicorn. No one really knows how it works or what the algorithm, how it decides anything, but we do know a few things. Now, there's three main points to a good quality score. There's click-through rate, your ad relevance, and your landing page, the user's landing page experience. No one really knows how much weight each of those factors into the algorithm, so it's kind of anyone's best guess here. But we do know that we can work on all three of them, and that's going to give us a better quality score. Now, you might wonder why do we want a higher quality score? What's the difference? I'll just throw a bunch of keywords into my ad groups and just call it a day. Well, you're going to pay more money than me. That's why. And most people who do work on quality score are going to pay a lot more. So the key is that it has to have a 10 of 10 if possible. Ideally you want to be between 6 and 10, 7 and 10. And that is because you're going to pay cheaper per click than someone who has a 1 to 3. Okay? Kind of get what I'm saying here? So if you log into your AdWords account, go into your campaign. We're going to do that right here. Go to ad groups, and then we're going to go to keywords. Then you're going to come up here to columns, modify column. You're going to come down to attributes. And we're going to add in quality score. Oh, there it is, quality score. Oh, we already have it. Okay. All right, so we already have quality score factored into our columns here. So if we scroll over, we sort by quality score. You can see here we have some good ones, then we have some crappy ones, and some really crappy ones. But ideally, you want to be around here. We want to be 7 to 10. That's the happy zone. So how we're going to do this? First, we're going to have high click-through rates. So if we sort by our campaign, you're going to see here our click-through rates are just crushing it, which is surprising that some of these quality scores are 5 and 4, and then we obviously have some 7s and 8s. But the 5s and 4s I'm going to assume are because our landing page experience. So basically what you'd have to do is we have to take all of these keywords that we're going after, and we have to work them into our landing page. We have to pepper them throughout the content, all throughout the landing page. And I'm going to go ahead and just make an educated guess here that the reason that we do have 4s in here is because we're sending this traffic to the actual homepage of our website, which is obviously is designed for white label PPC keywords, but it's not properly done like you would do a landing page. That's why we always say you have to have a landing page when you run pay-per-click, but for this example account here, we're just using this campaign just to send some traffic to our main website because it converts like crazy, frankly. But anyways, so yeah, with any your landing pages, you have to take your keywords, you got to pepper them through, and that's going to give you the landing page experience. And also, you have to have a fast load time. I mean, it can't load slow, so it's got to pop right up. It's got to be easy to navigate. I mean, these are all part of the landing page experience. It has to be good content, not just a squeeze page. So that's really important. You got to work the keywords in your title, your description, stuff like that. And the next thing we're going to do is ad relevance. So if we go to ad groups and we go into one of our ad groups, so here's the keywords we're going after: white label PPC agencies. You can see that very, very tightly themed. Go into the ads. What do the ads say? White label PPC agency, reseller, PPC agency, and you kind of just work these into the headlines and the descriptions and the URL path, and that's very important. That's going to increase your ad relevance, which is going to give you a higher quality score. So that's really it, guys. I mean, CTR, ad relevance, landing page experience, it's not that hard. So just keep that in mind when you're building your campaigns, and especially make sure the landing page is under your control. If the landing page is under your control, you can control the landing page experience, and you're not going to end up with 4s and 5s like we have in this account right here. Where did that go? Yeah. So here's where we want to be, and here's where we don't want to be. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, assume these 4s are coming from because we're not running a landing page. So make sure, remember, CTR, add relevance, landing page experience. And the landing page experience is load time, navigation. Is it easy to navigate? Is it filled with content that's actually useful and not just like crappy misspellings and all kinds of useless stuff? And make sure you have your keywords and keywords that are similar to that peppered throughout the entire landing page. And if you follow those 3 things, you are going to boost your quality scores and you're going to pay for cheaper clicks. And that's really it, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Other than that, I'll catch you in the next video.